Homemade pasta? Yes, please. How's it going, appetizers, and welcome back. I hope you are well. We're going to be redoing our very first episode ever here on this channel, and it was a homemade pasta and a tomato sauce. For reflection and going back and watching that video, I feel it shouldn't have been half an hour long. So I'm going to redo it today, hopefully make it a lot more streamlined, but still taste absolutely fantastic. Let's give it a go. Fresh pasta, super simple. We've got 100 grams of plain flour. We have 1 egg, and we'll have a pinch of salt. Dump your flour out the side. Make a well in the middle. Minus the eggshell. Beat the egg. Just start incorporating the flour over the top. Once that egg's incorporated, pinch of salt. It will start to come together. Once it starts to form a dough, we're just going to knead that, and it will be kneading for about 7 to 10 minutes until it's nice and smooth. That is our pasta around 7 minutes later. So what we're going to do, wrap in cling film. We'll get that in the fridge, and that needs to rest for about 20 minutes before we do anything else with it. But whilst that's resting, we'll get on with the sauce. So we're going to start our sauce. Safety first. That ball's not going anywhere. Sharp knife. So for the sauce, we've got shallots, garlic, cherry tomatoes, fresh basil. Shallots top. Just a quick tip, prep any vegetables or fruits or anything like that, have a waste bowl in front of you. You can just take that bowl at the end of the process and throw it all away at once. So we're just going to dice our shallots. Four cloves of garlic that we're just going to finely slice. Cherry tomatoes will just half. And that's 250 grams of cherry tomatoes. So we're going to keep the fresher leaves for a garnish. But what I want to do is infuse some of that basil flavour through the sauce. Dip off some of these fruits. What is it? Finely sliced. And then that's going to go through our sauce as well. There you go, that's pretty much your mise en place for the sauce. So there's that little mise en place tray. Pan on. Olive oil. So we'll start with shallots. We'll get them sweating down till they're translucent. Shallots are starting to sweat down, slightly gone translucent. In with the garlic, in with them basil stalks. Bring it in with the cherry tomatoes. You want to cook the tomatoes down until they're soft. Once they're doing that, you can give them a little press once they're softened. This is what I'm mean about the tomatoes. You'll just start to squash them down, start releasing all of that flavour. So that's our sauce pretty much reduced down. Water's on the boil. You want to make sure you really salt that water. We're just going to leave that warming through there. So tomatoes. We're going to need a little bit of balsamic. Just a glug. Tomatoes and balsamic vinegar love each other. That needs and that's the one. So we'll leave that just to warm through. Like I said, our water's on already. Next step, shaping the pasta. So we've been 20-25 minutes. Let's get the pasta going. It's had time to rest. You want to flour your pasta machine. You want to flour your pasta. Number 7, on this pasta machine. Just keep it nice and floured, nice and even, and one step at a time. Nice confident strokes. Next up, we're going to the cut side. There we go. Beautiful homemade pasta. So I've taken a little bit of that sauce out into a pan there. This water has just been ticking over, just ramped it up, so it should be boiling in a second. I've got some chopped basil to throw in at the end. I've got some picked basil that we're just going to throw on top. Once that water's boiling, well, pasta water boiling. Pasta in, separate it as much as you can. So that won't take long. We're talking 90 seconds, 2 minutes. Sugar. Pasta in. Give it a shake up. If the sauce just needs a little bit of thickening, throw some of that pasta water in. All the starchiness from that pasta will thicken that sauce. There you go. There we go, guys. There's our pasta. I'm just going to get a little bit more of our sauce on top. Some fresh basil. And there's homemade pasta and a quick, easy tomato sauce redone. So there's our pasta. Tell you what that needs. A little bit more salt. That sauce, so fresh, really sweet from them cherry tomatoes, slightly tangy from that balsamic vinegar, a hint of freshness from that basil, and let's face it, all basil is good basil. If you're not a fan of chunky sauces, don't forget you can do the sauce exactly the same way. Always just give it a blitz afterwards and then pass it for a sieve, take out all the lumps and anything that you don't want. This is just a basic pasta. Don't forget you can always flavour your pastas with pretty much anything that you want to. You can do your squiddings, you can do pesto pastas to make it really vibrant green. Spinach pasta, just quickly blanch off your spinach in boiling water for 30 seconds. Take it out, drain off the excess, give it a blitz, put that through your pasta dough, you get a really vibrant green pasta. Anything you want. There is so much you can do with pasta and it's so easy. So I'm going to take one more bit of this. I'm going to move that out of my way so I don't carry on eating it. That is the end of today's video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to stick a like on there for me. It helps out tremendously. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please remember to hit the subscribe button. It is free after all, and if you don't like it, you can always unsubscribe later. Hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all future videos coming to the channel, and you will be the first to be alerted when they do. So, now it's over to you guys. Why don't you give this a go? If you do, please send me a picture on social media. All applicable links are down in the description box below. Leave a comment on this video, tell me what you want to see in the future. I will try and read and reply to all messages that I see. Please watch a video here, and subscribe down there. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. That's the end of the... Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off.